I'm going to show you how you can unblock Netflix with a VPN so you can access geo-restricted content from all around the world. The first thing you need to do is to open our web browser and you want to go to netflix.com. From here you want to click on the sign in button in the top right hand corner and then you want to go ahead and sign into your account. In this case I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. So now we are signed into Netflix and we've chosen our profile, we can minimize Netflix and leave it in the background. Now we just need to use a VPN to trick Netflix into thinking we are from another country so we can access geo-restricted content. The VPN we are going to be using today is called Private Internet Access VPN and you can get it with the link in the description of this video. So once you've got Private Internet Access, you want to click on the VPN server button and then you want to select a country you want to trick Netflix to thinking you are in. In this case, I'm going to select a United States server and we're going to choose one with the lowest milliseconds. In this case, it's US Baltimore. Once you've clicked on it, you then want to click on the power button in the middle of the application, and after a few seconds, you will be successfully connected to a United States server or whatever country you selected. So now we are connected to our server, we just want to go ahead and open up Netflix, and all we need to do now is to refresh the page. Now this may take a few seconds as the server is halfway around the world, but once it's loaded, you will now have access to geo-restricted content in the country that you selected. So all I need to do now is click on the play button, and I can go ahead and start watching US movies just as I normally would. And that's it. So remember to use the link in the description of this video to get Private Internet Access VPN. If this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.